Yo guys, so I have been doing some research yesterday and then I've come into conclusion to this and I've gotten free $1,000 funded account from Trade Scale Profile, and then I'm going to use one myself and I will give four to the community of people. So what is going to happen? I'm going to trade this coupon code given to me to see if it's legit before I give it out in my community. So I'll drop this in the Telegram channel. Okay, so if you're not in our Telegram channel, make sure you go into the Telegram channel. That is where we do a lot of giveaways and share a lot of updates as well. The YouTube keep you updated as well, but some of the opportunity we cannot get time to record video on them. So if you're not in the Telegram channel, you'll be missing a lot. So this is it. I'll keep this short. Okay, so I don't want to show the code. Okay, I don't want to show the code, so you can see it clearly. We keep this short. Your code are finally here. Here is what you get. Okay, you now have 5 unique code. One is for you and 4 are for your friends. Okay, so I wanted to give it to the community. So quickly, let me go. I copy one of the code. I'll go and apply it to see if this code work before I start giving it. If you are watching this video now, leave a comment, screenshot, and come to the Telegram, send me hi, and I will give you this. Only the first 4 people will be saved. So let's see this. So I'll go to Trade Scale website. So here is it. So I have filled in all the details and the accounts that I need to select. So what I need to do is to apply the coupon. Okay, so I'll apply the coupon here. I paste the coupon code. I click on apply to see if this work. Good, so you can see total 0. So I'm not paying anything. So choose payment method. So I'll just place the order. So let's see this, if this work. They say you have to agree to our privacy policy. So where is that? Where is their privacy policy? Oh, okay, here is it. So I place the order. So let's go. It's two-step account. Good, thank you for your order. Okay, order number this December 12th, and then the billing info as well. I've gotten email. This is my account. Okay, so this way guys, so I'll be sharing this code in my Telegram channel. When you comment, screenshot, and hit me in the Telegram channel, you'll be able to get this code for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to I don't know how to go with this giveaway, either to go with a random pick or I should go with the first come first serve. Okay, I'm changing my mind, so I think we should go with a random pick so that I have a lot of viewers, so it can be first come first serve. So let me just do it like that, so that the lucky winner will be rather the person who is going to win this account. So see you guys in the comment section, and then in the Telegram channel. Let's do this together. I'll pick a random people by the end of 24 hours after this video is being dropped on the channel. Okay, so see you guys there. Goodbye.